Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Aliane and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my cleaning motivation video. So in today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning my dining room and my living room. I have been wanting to do this. So the first thing that I did was to take down all the curtains and get them in the wash before I started on the cleaning.
In the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you.
Okay, so I just put the curtains in the wash, and while they're going, I just wanted to start probably by cleaning the windows. And before I do that, I wanted to show you guys how nasty they really are. And I'm so glad that I get to include this process in the cleaning because it's spring cleaning and everything is gotta be cleaned, right? So let me show you. Okay, so actually before I start on the windows, I am going to pull out the couches and I'm gonna remove the rug for now, so I can clean the rug and, well, I'm gonna vacuum the rug, but I'm gonna wipe down the couches and vacuum whatever is under or behind them. So before I clean the windows, I think I'm gonna do that.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was
that right there is probably yogurt. Yeah, I'm not even sure what that is, but this is what's behind here. So yeah, it's quite disgusting. I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of the windows. Either I'm moving the camera too fast or it's not showing as well as I would like it to, but the windows were so filthy. Oh my gosh, I was so embarrassed to see it, but you know what? It is what it is. This is real life and I wanted to share with you guys. But my kids go on that window and they're always looking outside and they tend to touch the glass. So it doesn't get cleaned as often as I would like it to, but today I did it. I got it all done.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Okay, so now I'm gonna mop, but I wanted to show you guys for a second. This is the cleaner that I'm gonna use for my floors. It's the Pine Sol Spring Blossom. It smells so good. It's my first time purchasing it and I love it.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah.
After vacuuming the floors, I wanted to go ahead and take out the cushions and see what was under there. I was kind of scared doing this. I was not sure what I was going to find under there, but luckily it was not as bad as I expected it to be. For some reason, this is a couch that we mostly sit on, well, me and the kids. It's the one that faces the TV, so it makes sense that that's the one we sit on the most. So it was the dirtiest. I found some food in there and some dried stuff. I'm not sure what it was, but I got it all cleaned up. And yeah, I also vacuumed under it. As you can see, I was wiping a spot. I think it's like milk or something spilled in there. I'm just being real with you guys today, but yeah.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall.
The fireplace is definitely one spot that we tend to store things. Anything and everything ends up there. So I wanted to go ahead and put everything away where it belonged. As you can see, I have my little helper here and he shook the camera. But yeah, he's always with me wherever he sees me cleaning. He's obsessed with a vacuum. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but that's a little fun fact about my little Logan. He loves to come and help me vacuum. So the moment he heard it, he came running. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the living room. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the dining room. I'm gonna start off by washing the window. It's the same window as my living room, so yeah, let's do it.
You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall.
I do plan on painting these window trims this summer, hopefully. After I painted the banister, I realized now the windows don't match anything, so I want to go ahead and make everything match in the house. So this will be my little summer project, and I will be sure that I share that process with you guys.
All you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are.
After vacuuming the dining room, I took a break. I had to make dinner for the kiddos. So here, as I'm cleaning the banister, it is at nighttime. As you can tell, the lighting is a little different. I waited until the kids went to bed to continue with my cleaning. I left everything that didn't require making too much noise at the end. So cleaning this was a must, and I wanted to be sure that I get it done on the same day. So I stayed up pretty late and continued my cleaning while the kids were sleeping. I also wanted to clean the bottom trim of the dining room. There was a little bit of food stuck on there, so I wiped that down and some parts of the wall as well. I don't know how food ends up there. Could it be that I have children? But yeah, I went ahead and I did that. And then the last thing I did was, of course, to mop.
Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
So by this time my curtains were nice and dry, so I was so eager to put them back up because our windows were so open. I felt like everybody driving by the street could see inside, so I put them up, and you can't tell, but they were pretty wrinkled, so definitely steaming them was a must.
Let's get it done.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me as I did my spring cleaning. I think this is the last spring cleaning video that I'm gonna be posting, but I hope you guys got a lot of cleaning motivation out of this. I love sharing cleaning videos just to inspire you and motivate you and get you going, because you too can get it done. And I hope you guys will share this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so before you leave, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.